Okay, here we are. This is for Book 3. Those of you who are in Book 3, we're up to Spelling Week 2. The theme of the words this week is the sound or. Say it out loud, or. I'll read the words for you. Porch, horse, thorn, north, 40, forest, morning, story, sports, torch, more. A porch is a mirpaset. I think you know what a horse is. A thorn is those prickly things that are on some plants, a kot. North is a direction. So Tel Aviv is north of Modi'in. 40 is like the number 40. And a torch at the bottom is a big stick with a big flame of fire at the end, or if you are British, it is a flashlight. So the same thing that we did last week. A lot of you wrote really good sentences. Make sure your sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with the correct punctuation that we learned in class on Sunday, either a period if it's a statement or a question mark if you wrote a question. Try not to start your sentences with the same word. So don't start all of them with the word I. I sat on the porch. That's kind of a plain, boring sentence. I want a good, juicy sentence of at least 5 words. So for example, for the word porch, you can write, me and my mom sat on the porch and drank tea together. Sometimes if you can only think of a very short sentence, try to use the word and in your sentence. So you're going to say something and something else. And remember that each sentence needs a person or thing, and that person or thing needs to do or feel something. After you're done writing your sentences and copying the words, take a picture and have your parents email it to me. If you're writing them on a piece of paper and you did not print out this sheet, then skip lines on your page so that you can much more clearly see the words you're writing. I look forward to seeing your sentences.